You must be reading with your left eye because your hair is all in your right eye. Let me move this out the way for you. See, that's better, right? Now you can see better, right? Right?
Bark at your dog.